So this type of 3D cartoon singing animation videos are going viral on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube right now. So you can make similar videos following this tutorial. So let's start with it. So first I will use ChatGPT to design the image, and then for video creation I will use Canva. So let's start with it. So first I will click on create an image. Okay, and after that here in auto select widescreen 16:9, which is the YouTube thumbnail dimension. So after that here I will write help me make a cute 3D cartoon boy wearing a purple hoodie playing guitar with both hands and walking like image with natural background. Okay, and click on send prompt, and here the image is generated. And now click on this icon and click on download to download the image. Now come to Canva. Here select social media, and as I have made 16:9 dimension aspect ratio, so I will use YouTube thumbnail as my canvas. And now I will upload the image here in Canva. Okay, and make it to the same size as the canvas. Now click on the image and click on image to video. Please select custom, and here write make the video like the boy singing and playing guitar and moving forward. Okay, and click on generate 5-second video. As you can see, the video is generated. Click on add video to design. And as you can see, the video is working fine. Now the length of the video is 5 seconds. Now if you want to extend the length of the video, click on speed, and you can make it 0.75 or 0.5. So if you make it 0.5, it will be a 10-second video. If you make 0.25, it will become a 20-second video. So let me show you how it looks. So 0.25 doesn't look good, so let's try with 0.5. So 0.5 is still looking good. So you can try this type of animation. Now when the video is created, the next question comes how to add the audio in this video. So for that you can either go to uploads and upload your own audio. So when you click on this upload files icon, you can add the audio which you want to add in this video, and it will come in this section as audio folder. So it will be either beside images or beside videos. You can find it here. So I haven't added any audio yet, so no icon is coming here. And apart from that, you can go to elements and here scroll down to audio and use this audios here. So there are many audios you can use here. So there are many magic recommendations, as you can see in here. So these are all usable for this video, but as you can see, some are marked as pro element or pro music track, so you can't use that. So if you are having a free account, there are many free music, as you can see in here, so you can use those. Okay, so most of them are free here, so you can use those. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.